Welcome back to another video, man. So, I read your comments of the last video and you guys want a POV drive, so that's what I'm gonna give it to you today. So it's actually a beautiful day here in Pennsylvania. So we're just gonna go on a little drive. I'm gonna shoot that, so let's get to it. Here's the whip though. She's looking good. She needs a wash, but it's alright. Like I said, it's a beautiful day out here today in PA. Nice 50 degrees. I said, why not just take the IS out for a drive? A little POV, get some action for you guys. Maybe give it a little wash, get her cleaned up.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
But let's get into it. Alright, we're trying this again. Make sure this is the perfect angle for you guys. Then you can hear the car too as well. Oh, didn't mean to throw those on. Got a nice little tunnel. Got a little tire screech right there. She sounds good though. A little third gear hit. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna bust a UE. But yeah, you guys gotta let me know what content you guys want to see. I should have some drift content coming out soon. Oh, listen to that. Sounds good. Yeah, but I should have some drift content up soon. Full bolt on, stage 2 right here. She sounds good. But yeah, I should have some drifting content up for you guys very soon. I just need to figure out this head mount situation so you can get the best view, really. But yeah, that's really all. And I've also been just practicing. Been trying to not mac out when I drift. Yeah, but I've been loving this car, honestly. The DCT is perfect. I'll do a little third gear hit for you right here. Wait till the traffic clears up. Little hit right here. This car gets up the law breaking speeds very quickly. So we gotta be alright. I don't even know if you guys can hear me or not. How's the audio? But maybe if I turn up the windows a little bit. Turn up the windows. Roll up the windows. You guys can definitely probably hear me now. But yeah, I just wanted to take this little POV drive, get some more content out. I see that you guys really did like that first video of going over my build. Got some good views on there. We're just gonna keep it rolling, really. I think my next step for this car is probably gonna be a custom tune. It's on MHD Stage 2 Plus right now if you didn't see the last video. But I just turned up the burbles, so I turned them up to hard. They were on medium, but just so I can take this video and you guys can actually hear them, I turned them up. But this car is a blast, really. Full bolt on, Stage 2 Plus. It's probably making somewhere in the low 4s, and it honestly feels really good for what it is. Feels really quick, does the job, something to have fun in. I came to these back roads right here. You can hit these back roads up a little bit. So we can go this way actually, so you guys can really hear it. Should we take off from a dig? I'll do a dig for you guys. So this, you can't really do anything, I need launch control, but this is the best I can get it. So traction kicked in. I should have took it off. But look at this house, yo. This house is near me. This shit is crazy. If you know, you know. That shit's huge. I can't imagine how a fucking single turbo sounds. That thing probably sounds gnarly. Yeah. Insert the average BMW owner meme right now. I'm just cruising out here though. Really. This video's not really gonna be much, just me cruising, talking. I've been posting a lot more on TikTok lately now. So if you guys go follow my TikTok, it's the same as my Instagram, is lonely.n54.vq. So I want you to go follow me on TikTok and Instagram. That's my name for both of those. I try to post on I post on Instagram a lot more than TikTok, but I'm trying to start to post on TikTok a little bit more now, just so I can get my name out there some more and get the channel name out there. But remember, if you're not subscribed, please like, comment, and subscribe for me, everybody. If you want some more content, and please comment. I like when you guys comment because I can really gauge like what you guys want, and I could kind of tailor my content towards that. So I'm gonna post what you guys want to see, and of course what I want to post. But roll into it. Dude, we get up to 70 so quick. This car is really like, this is not a beginner car. If you're 16 and you just get in a car, or this is your first car or whatever, this is I would definitely wouldn't recommend this. This is not a beginner car. You can really crash and kill yourself in this thing if you don't know what you're doing and know how to control it. Because 400 horsepower is still 400 horsepower, to be honest. I think everybody's so numb to how much 400 horsepower really is now, because everybody has to, if you're not making 1,000, you're slow. If you're not making 800, you're slow. But 400 and a fucking 3,300 pound car is still going to be pretty quick. People forget all about power to weight ratio. Like, you're still going to be fast. Really, you just gotta remember that. Like, for this car, for what it is, 400 horsepower is fine. It weighs 3,600 pounds. It probably makes closer to 450 wheel. I'm just getting these suggestions from the MHD. So don't kill me down in the comments saying, oh no, it doesn't make that much. I'm just getting based off the latest MHD maps. I'm on MHD V10, the Stage 2 Plus 93 octane tune. But that's just what I got gained from my research. Look at this asshole, so fucking close around the line. But let me stop complaining. You guys can hear some more turbo noises. The burbles. It really is a nice day. Oh, it's so intoxicating. I wish we had some more open space so I can really just pop off. But that's where we're going. We're gonna have a little fun real quick. See how she takes off from a dig. That last little one I just showed you wasn't really all that. I'm going to turn traction control off, actually, and I'm going to show you. I'm not going to use launch control because this thing launches at 5,000 RPM. I have all stock driveline, all stock everything. I am not launching from that high of a RPM. I've tried it, and I thought the fucking rear end was about to rip out the damn car. So I'm definitely okay. Once I get XHP and get the trans tune, I'll be able to change the launch control from 5,000 RPM down to 3,000, so you get a better launch. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna roll into it from second. That's, I told you guys, it gets up there pretty quick. Might have to blur that out, or the area we're in. But yeah, she gets up there. She hooked pretty good, honestly. Right now we're on the stock IS wheels, the 255s. But she hooked pretty well. What we'll do right here is we'll turn traction control off. We'll hold it for 5 seconds, and their DSC is completely off. And I will try to get it from a dig for you guys real quick. We'll see how it goes. So what we'll do is hold it. Woo! She got sideways there, boys. Yep. Now we leave. That was a date though, at first. So I can't, BMW has like this weird electronic cut where if you're on the brake and the gas, it won't let you build the boost. It's so stupid. Unless you're on launch control. So you can't foot brake it, which is dumb in my opinion. But hey, what can I do about it? I'll get a trans tune eventually. I'm trying to jump in between this build and the other build. But she definitely scoops, if you guys didn't see. She definitely wiggles. She gets out there. Crispy, brother. Do you not hear that? Oh, man. Brakes, brakes. That corner, if you know, you know. And I know you're watching this video, brother. Inside joke with my guy. I love this car. It just puts a smile on my face. Like, who wouldn't this put a smile on your face? It just sounds so good. And from the inside, you can't even really hear it that much. Like, I'm downshift again. You can't hear those burbles. Like, you can't even hear them. That's how good the insulation is from inside the cabin. And now we drop the windows again. You hear them. Crystal clear. Sounds so good though. Oh, I miss driving this car. This person's gonna drive extra slow, so we're not gonna be able to do anything. See, it's always the Subaru driver, right? Going 20 miles an hour. I'm trying to blast through this tunnel. Woohoo! We got sideways there, boys. Like I said though, guys, this was just going to be a quick POV video. Wasn't really going to say much. We're just going to let you hear the car, see the drive. So, I got more content coming up soon. Go check out my other videos too as well. Go subscribe to my Instagram and TikTok, lonely.m54.vq. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on today's video. If you enjoyed, I most certainly enjoyed ripping this old girl. But we're gonna end today's video right there. Like I was saying, please like, comment, and subscribe. She's running mint. I love this car. My hair is a little messed up. Got the fresh cut if you didn't see. But great car. Can't wait to put more power in it. Maybe. I've been thinking about just keeping it the way it is because it's honestly a fun and reliable car the way it is. But yeah, I don't know. Put a smile on my face. You guys can already see. But just go like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.